Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your Xbox Series X games to a new console. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, ensure your Xbox Series X and new console are both powered on. Connect both consoles to the same Wi-Fi network. On your old Xbox Series X, press the Xbox button on the controller. Navigate to the Settings menu. Select System from the list of options. Choose Backup and Transfer. Select Network Transfer. Make sure to enable Allow Network Transfer if it is. Now, move to your new Xbox Series X. Press the Xbox button on the controller. Again, navigate to the Settings menu. Select System from the options. Choose Backup and Transfer once more. Select Network Transfer. Your old console should appear in the list. Select your old console to see available games. Choose the games you want to transfer. Once you've made your selections, confirm the transfer. The transfer process will begin, and you'll see a progress bar. Once the transfer is complete, you'll receive a notification. You can now launch your games on your new Xbox Series X. Check if there are any updates for your games after the transfer. This ensures you have the latest version installed. Enjoy your gaming experience on your new console. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.